This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering down and removing any case that blocks access, because direct access prevents damage. Once done, use a microfiber cloth and 70% isopropyl to gently wipe the sensor. This removes oils that fool the reader. While the device is off, inspect surrounding seams and blow out debris with compressed air. Small particles cause read failures. Make sure to note your backup PIN and any enrolled fingerprints before continuing so you won't be locked out. You power the device back on and immediately test the sensor to see if cleaning helped, because this tells you if the issue is physical or software. If problem remains, remove the fingerprint entry in settings and update or reinstall the fingerprint driver. Drivers often fix recognition algorithms. Once drivers are updated, re-enroll your fingerprints with consistent pressure and placement. Re-enrolling recalibrates templates to current sensor response. If available, run any built-in sensor calibration or diagnostics. You finish by verifying consistent unlocks. Try several attempts with slightly different angles and pressure so the sensor builds robust templates. If recognition still fails intermittently, boot into safe mode to check for apps interfering with sensor drivers, because background software sometimes blocks hardware calls. Once satisfied, enable the fingerprint again and remove older templates. If problems persist after these steps, contact the manufacturer or run their diagnostic tool. Hardware defects or deep contamination require authorized repair or sensor replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.